Hey boys and girls, we're doing a clutch change today on a KDX 200. I use automatic transmission fluid in any of my two-stroke bike gearboxes, but all motorcycle clutches are going to be set up real similar to this one. It's just a set of friction plates and a set of steel plates that are staggered, one and then the other and one and then the other. I put ATF all over them first just to make sure there's no dry spots in between, and the bike just clamps these plates together to give you grab when you let out on the clutch, and when you pull in the clutch it lets the plates have enough slack to spin on each other. Enjoy!